Okay, I have a Seed, the Internet of Things hardware enabler, 10.1 inch display, which apparently is probably exactly what it is. Looks like for a Raspberry Pi or something along that lines. It even has a little stand to hold it up. So of course that guy will get a nice thorough testing by me. This one will be fun. And that's Seed, the Internet of Things. Okay, so next I have this. I don't know what this is. Oh. This is Sachs Underwear Company. It's apparently some sort of, it's a 2-in-1 Legend shorts. That's interesting. 2-in-1 Legend shorts. Neat. Next I have topping. It says high-res audio. So I open it and I see a DX3 Pro. Oh yeah. Sounds like it might have a loose screw in it. But yeah, I believe that's a linear amplifier. These things are awesome. Power supply, everything in there. It's neat. Oh, I remember what that is. That's a digital to analog audio converter. A DAC. Okay, so next I've got this box here, which, if my knowledge so far suits me well, this is probably, and it is, an airbrush set. So, looks really nice and new on the top. Not so much on the inside. Somebody had a hard time getting it back in the box. And by that I mean they weren't that concerned. So, got, there's like several of these that are fully closed. Okay. And we got the power supply. And we apparently have the airbrush. The box is in kind of rough shape because the person didn't care for it very much and put it together really rough. Okay, so please forgive me. I don't like touching anybody's underwear, but there's apparently some underwear in here. These are invisible lace bikinis. Invisible lace bikinis. Bikini underwear. They're size 5. Okay, so next, because I said something about underwear, of course we have more underwear. I will tell you. Oh wow, yep, this is the voluminous one that we're going to receive. Look on the wall for stats because yeah. Okay, moving right along. What do we got here? This is where beauty meets science. This is a dual sonic infuser, face and eye. In an interesting case. Do you guys see that? I believe this is the I believe this might be a hair removal device, but I'm not sure. It is, I think it's luminaire. It's got 3 settings: hot, cool, and sonic. It says a dual sonic infuser, face and eye. I have no idea what that means, guys. Can you see that well? Luminaire. Okay. I think that's luminaire. Okay, next I have this, which is interesting. It apparently is a black sheet set that has sat around for so long that all the writing and everything has worn off of it. But it seems in really good shape. I mean, honestly, I'll take that out of the package inside, but it seems in really good shape. Looks like it's been sealed that whole time. Just got old. A lot of times they take things like this. I mean, some of you have been in merchandise. Have you ever taken something like this that, you know, you can't even find a... I mean, like on this one, this might be the UPC for selling, but it might be a different one. But nevertheless, would you possibly throw that in a bin? That's what we get a lot of, I think. But okay, what we have here is another a piece of negligee, I believe. This is an XL. It is black, and it's a sea angel. What do you guys think of that? Interesting. tie around your neck. Okay. I gotta tell you guys, getting to the nitty gritty. This is not underwear. It's a little boy's shirt. Pretty cute too. Just BU, I think is what it's called. Yep. It's an 18-month. Look, it says roar. Can you see that? It says roar. 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 Okay, here we have towels. These towels are about ready to come out of this bag anyways, without my assistance. But you see a towel there, that's for sure. The ultimate soft towel. I think this was supposed to be two towels, but one. And it looks in pretty good shape. And honestly, it's pretty soft. They're not lying. I mean, most of these come out pretty rough to start off with. It's pretty soft towel.
Click here, click here, click here. Because you're awesome.